The photography world is currently in a state of absolute fever pitch, and it's all centered around one name, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. 4 years, the X-Pro line has been the soul of Fujifilm. It's the camera for the purists, the street photographers, the ones who want to feel the soul of the image rather than just the megapixels. But the gap between the X-Pro 3 and now has been agonizing. We've seen the X-T5, the X-106, and the X-H2S take the stage, but the rangefinder enthusiasts have been left in the shadows. That wait is finally over. The X-Pro 4 isn't just a sequel, it's a statement. It's Fujifilm's way of telling the world that professional photography doesn't have to be clinical or boring. It can be visceral, it can be tactile, and it can be perfect. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're watching this, you know the feeling of holding an X-Pro. That offset viewfinder, that solid magnesium alloy frame, the way the dials click under your fingers, it changes how you shoot. It makes you slow down. But the X-Pro 4 is bringing something to the table that we've never seen in a crop sensor camera before. We are talking about a total internal overhaul. The rumors of the new 40-megapixel X-Trans 5 HR sensor being pushed to its absolute limit are true. But it's not just about resolution. It's about the soul of the grain. Fujifilm has reportedly engineered a new, global shutter-like readout speed that eliminates rolling shutter, making this the fastest rangefinder-style camera in history. Why does this matter to the USA audience, specifically the street and documentary photographers from New York to Los Angeles? Because the X-Pro 4 is being designed as the Leica killer that actually delivers on the promise. For a fraction of the price of an M series, you are getting a hybrid viewfinder that has been completely redesigned. The OVF is clearer, the EVF is brighter with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and the transition between them is instantaneous. Imagine walking through the rainy streets of Seattle at night. Your eyes see the world through the glass, but with a flick of your finger, you see the exact film simulation, the exact exposure, and the exact grain before you even press the shutter. This is the Pro experience redefined. And let's talk about that screen. The X-Pro 3 was controversial. That hidden LCD was a love it or hate it move. With the X-Pro 4, Fujifilm has listened to the global community. The rumors suggest a multi-axis tilt screen that stays hidden when you want to focus on the moment, but flips out with a rugged, professional hinge when you need to get those impossible low-angle shots. It's the best of both worlds. It's the camera that forces you to be present, but doesn't punish you when you need to be technical. The heart of the X-Pro 4 is the new X Processor 5. This chip is a monster. We are looking at AI-driven subject detection that isn't just for birds or cars. It's specifically tuned for human emotion. The IAF has been trained on millions of images to recognize eyes even behind glasses, through foreground obstructions, or in the dimmest light of a jazz club. If you are a wedding photographer or a photojournalist, this is the reliability you've been praying for in a compact body. No more hunting. No more missed moments. Just pure, razor-sharp focus on the story you are trying to tell. But we have to talk about the film simulations. This is why we buy Fuji. The X-Pro 4 is debuting a brand new simulation that insiders are calling Classic -2, or Reala Ace Pro. It mimics the chemical reaction of high-end vintage film stocks in a way that makes digital files look organic, soft, and timeless. In a world saturated with over-sharpened smartphone photos, the X-Pro 4 produces images that look like they were pulled from a darkroom in 1974. It's about the vibe, and nobody does vibe better than Fujifilm. The build quality of the X-Pro 4 has been elevated to a tank-like status. We're hearing about a new Duratect coating that is even more scratch-resistant than before. This is a camera meant to be beaten up. It's meant to be taken into the dust of the desert and the humidity of the jungle. It's weather-sealed at over 70 points. It's not a shelf queen, it's a tool. And with the addition of the new In-Body Image Stabilization, IBIS, this becomes the ultimate handheld weapon. For the first time, you can shoot at half-second shutter speeds without a tripod on an X-Pro body. Think about what that does for your creativity. It opens up a whole new world of long-exposure street photography that was previously impossible without a bulky setup. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price and the availability. We saw what happened with the X106. It became a viral sensation, and suddenly, you couldn't find one for love or money. The X-Pro 4 is expected to face similar demand, but for a different reason. It's not just a fashion accessory, it's a professional workhorse. Professionals are ditching their full-frame Sony and Canon rigs because they're tired of the weight and the clinical look. They want the X-Pro 4 because it makes them fall in love with photography again. If you are a content creator in 2026, you also need to know about the video capabilities. While the X-Pro series has always been stills first, Fujifilm isn't leaving video out. We are looking at a 6K 30p internal recording with 10-bit 4:2:2 color. This means your behind the scenes or your cinematic vlogs will have that same legendary Fuji color science. It's the perfect B-cam for a film set or the perfect A-cam for a solo travel filmmaker who needs to stay low profile. But the real reason people are going to fight to get their hands on this camera is the tactile connection. In an age of touchscreens and menus, the X-Pro 4 keeps the physical exposure compensation dial, the shutter speed dial, and the ISO sub-dial. It's a mechanical symphony. Every time you change a setting, you feel a click. It's intentional. It's deliberate. It makes you an artist, not just a button pusher. As we look at the landscape of 2026, the X-Pro 4 stands alone. There is no other camera that offers this specific blend of heritage, technology, and style. It's the bridge between the analog past and the AI-driven future. It's the camera that tells the world you care about the craft. Whether you're shooting the neon lights of Tokyo or the rugged landscapes of the American West, the X-Pro 4 is designed to be your companion for the next decade. The excitement is real. The leaks are confirming everything we hoped for. The M5 level processing power inside a rangefinder body is a dream come true. This is the camera that will define a generation of visual storytellers. If you've been waiting to upgrade, if you've been waiting for a reason to switch to Fujifilm, or if you've just been waiting for a camera that has a soul, this is it. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is not just the next camera in line. It is the new king of the streets. Punish you when you need to be technical. The heart of the X-Pro 4 is the new X Processor 5. This chip is a monster. We are looking at AI-driven subject detection that isn't just for birds or cars. It's specifically tuned for human emotion. The IAF has been trained on millions of images to recognize eyes even behind glasses, through foreground obstructions, or in the dimmest light of a jazz club. If you are a wedding photographer or a photojournalist, this is the reliability you've been praying for in a compact body. No more hunting. No more missed moments. Just pure, razor-sharp focus on the story you are trying to tell. But we have to talk about the film simulations. This is why we buy Fuji. The X-Pro 4 is debuting a brand new simulation that insiders are calling Classic -2, or Reala Ace Pro. It mimics the chemical reaction of high-end vintage film stocks in a way that makes digital files look organic, soft, and timeless. In a world saturated with over-sharpened smartphone photos, the X-Pro 4 produces images that look like they were pulled from a darkroom in 1974.